Welcome to Best Choice. The best rotary cutters is probably one of the most indispensable tools in any quilter's arsenal, transforming tedious fabric cutting into a swift, precise, and enjoyable experience, making it crucial to choose a model that offers superior ergonomics, safety, and consistent performance to ensure your creative projects are always a cut above the rest. Number 5. Headley Tools 45mm Rotary Cutter Blades. Crafted from high-quality Japanese SKS 7 steel, these blades are designed for exceptional strength. They resist bending and breaking, ensuring a long service life and a consistently sharp edge. Experience clean, precise cuts every time. These blades effortlessly slice through up to 10 layers of fabric in a single pass. They handle various materials like card, fabric, and leather with ease. Don't worry about compatibility. These blades are designed to fit all 45mm rotary cutter handles. They work seamlessly with popular brands like Fiskars and Alpha, making them a versatile choice. Whether you're sewing, quilting, scrapbooking, or engaging in other arts and crafts, these are your ideal companions. Their versatility makes them perfect for a wide range of creative endeavors. Each blade features clear length markings for easy measurement during use. You receive a convenient pack of 15 oiling blades, safely stored in a plastic box for protection and easy access. What we like? These blades offer exceptional value with a generous 15-pack, ensuring you're always stocked. Made from high-quality Japanese steel, they provide long-lasting sharpness for consistent cuts. If you're a frequent quilter or crafter looking for bulk blades that perform reliably, this option is perfect for you. What people say. Number 4. Fiskars 45mm Rotary Cutter Replacement Blades 5-pack. Is your rotary cutter losing its edge? These replacement blades are designed to bring new life to your favorite crafting tool. They are perfect for all your quilting, sewing, and other creative projects. Experience superior cutting with these precision-ground, 45mm stainless steel blades. They are engineered to stay sharp longer, ensuring consistent and clean cuts every time. Crafted from high-grade, premium steel, these blades offer exceptional durability. They maintain their sharpness far longer than other rotary blades, providing reliable performance for all your creative endeavors. Enjoy cutting with ultimate convenience. These versatile blades are compatible with most 45mm rotary cutters available on the market today. Trust in the quality of Fiskars craft supplies. These blades are built to last, reflecting the brand's commitment to helping you express your creativity with reliable tools. This pack includes 5 replacement blades, ensuring you're always prepared. What we like? From a trusted brand, these blades are precision-ground to stay sharp longer, ensuring consistent, clean cuts every time. Their high-grade steel construction is built for lasting performance. If you value brand reliability and demand consistent, precise results for your intricate projects, these are an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Titanium-coated 45mm rotary blades. Experience superior cutting with these ultra-durable titanium-coated blades. Crafted from Japanese SKS 7 tungsten steel, they offer a razor-sharp edge that lasts significantly longer than standard blades. Plus, you'll never have to worry about rust. These versatile replacement blades are designed for seamless integration. They are fully compatible with all types of 45mm rotary cutters, making them a perfect fit for your existing tools. Achieve incredible cutting power, effortlessly slicing through up to 10 layers of fabric in a single pass. Each set comes with a convenient snap-close case, ensuring these very sharp blades are always stored safely. Whether you're sewing, quilting, or crafting, these blades are your ideal companion. They excel at cutting a wide range of materials, including paper, fabric, leather, and plastic. Perfect for use at home, school, or your workshop. Each package includes 10 high-quality rotary blades and a secure storage case. Your satisfaction is our priority, and our service is guaranteed. If you encounter any issues, please don't hesitate to contact us. What we like? Featuring an ultra-durable titanium coating, these blades offer an extended lifespan and superior rust resistance. This advanced coating keeps them razor-sharp for much longer than standard steel. If you need blades that withstand heavy use and resist corrosion, ensuring peak performance over time, you should consider these. What people say. No positive reviews with details about product, works, design, function, feature, facts could be extracted from the provided empty source content. No positive reviews with details about product, works, design, function, feature, facts could be extracted from the provided empty source content. Number 2. KISSWILL 45mm Rotary Cutter Blades 10-pack. Introducing the KISSWILL 45mm Rotary Cutter Blades. These blades are designed for precision and are compatible with all 45mm Fiskars rotary cutters, ensuring a perfect fit for your tools. Perfect for all your quilting, sewing, and arts and crafts projects. They effortlessly cut through multiple layers of fabric, felt, leather, and even cardboard, making them ideal for various DIY tasks. Experience high quality and sharpness with these blades. Made from Japanese steel, SKS 7, and sharpened through 4 stages, they stay sharper longer. You can cleanly slice through up to 10 layers of fabric at once. These blades are ultra durable, thanks to tungsten alloy, which adds strength and wear resistance. Lubricants in a specialty storage case keep them in optimum condition, ready for your next project. We stand by the quality of our blades. If you find them not sharp enough, not cutting cleanly, or if they don't exceed your expectations, please contact us for support. What we like. Crafted from Japanese SKS 7 steel, these blades undergo 4 individual sharpening stages for unparalleled sharpness. The tungsten alloy adds significant strength and wear resistance, making them incredibly robust. If you prioritize a blade with an exceptionally sharp edge and superior durability for tough materials, this option is ideal. What people say. Number 1. SnapFresh 4V Cordless Electric Scissors. These cordless electric scissors offer extraordinary versatility. They are perfect for tackling materials like cardboard, leather, plastic, and even carpet, handling thicknesses up to 1/4 inch with ease. Enjoy smooth, low-noise cutting performance that surpasses traditional manual scissors. It comes equipped with 2 sharp tungsten steel rotary blades, ensuring quick and easy cuts every time. The included replacement blade guarantees longer-lasting, uninterrupted cutting, even for your most demanding tasks. Weighing just 0.87 pounds, this tool is over 15% lighter than comparable models. Its ergonomic design ensures easy use and extended cutting sessions without fatigue, making it ideal for everyone, including seniors and those with arthritis. To start it, simply press and hold the safety switch, then activate the trigger. This built-in safety lock design significantly reduces accidental activation, making it a safer choice for any home, especially those with children. This comprehensive set includes the 4V rotary cutter unit, an extra blade, a charger, a user manual, and a blade removal pin. It's perfect for all your home projects, packaging work, tailoring needs, and DIY endeavors. What we like. This cordless electric tool offers extraordinary versatility, effortlessly cutting through various materials up to 1/4 inch thick. Its lightweight and ergonomic design makes extended use comfortable, reducing hand fatigue. If you're looking for an easy-to-use, powerful tool to tackle thick materials or reduce strain during long cutting sessions, this is a game changer. What people say. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.